enjoying the ride, and it's Mig's first time.
Make her look me there. Ah! Come here.
Hey,
You can't jump when Daddy's driving. You can't. You can't. Come here.
hi Martin.
Hi, Migz. Hi, Migz.
You kiss mommy? You give mommy's kiss? The sweet boy. Yeah. We go in the McDonald's because Sister Candy and Daddy is hungry. And also Migz and Martin, they love chips.
Because chips are yellow just like Migz.
Oh, okay. They are our happy pill.
Martin likes you, Mommy.
Yeah.
Martin likes you. There's McDonald's. 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 Thank you. No, you take McDonald's. You take McDonald's. You love McDonald's. You love McDonald's. You love McDonald's. You love McDonald's. Hi. Look, she's excited about talking about McDonald's.
Who's excited to have a McDonald's? Migz?
Yeah. Ah! Looks like she wants to jump in the car.
I want large chips only.
And I want medium. I want medium size. Please give me medium.
You want a Happy Meal, Candy?
Yes, and I want medium chips. Please give me medium chips.
Up, Migz.
Oh, check. She's not used to it here. Better hold on to it.
It wants.
Yeah, can I have a
Candy.
can I have a kids Happy Meal 3 nuggets?
Easy.
Yeah, with apple juice. Yeah, a double Whopper
And large chips.
and a large. I mean,
I love
yeah.
you. I love you.
No, just with a large chips. Oh no, give us a large meal because then it's probably cheaper that way. No, get us
Large chips.
what drink you want.
No, I don't.
You have to.
Water.
Huh?
Water.
And a water, thanks.
I want water.
No, that'll do, thanks.
Do you buy water for me?
Yes.
Oh, we got
Oh,
you.
yay.
We got you apple juice.
Oh, I want water.
Okay, we can ask to
Water.
change the water.
Water.
What did she ask for water first?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's good. There they go.
Migz is over there. Migz is looking at me.
For sure in the 40s. She will come back to you. Migz. She's at the back.
Hi,
He
Migz.
used to do the same. He went and had a look at everything. People at the back must think, what the hell is that, a
Mom,
toy or
you
a
want
real?
to see my rainbow
Yes.
snake?
I see that one.
Look,
Yeah, that's so nice.
look, Mom.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Yeah, can I have, instead of apple juice, can I have a water with that, yeah, with the little Happy Meal?
Hi, Migz. Hi, Migzy. I love you. I love food. I love
You're right,
kids.
you're right.
And can I have a toy
I think yeah.
with it?
Wow, that's a good one. You haven't got that one.
Please.
Hello. Is that right? I don't know. I didn't have to look at it. $19 something. Thank you. And thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Candy. Hot, ha? Hold properly. Candy Rose, hold properly.
Ah, it's another minion.
Thanks, brother. Large chips in there. That it?
No, yet.
Oh, this curly one looks like a C.
Hot, hot, hot.
Shine, baby, shine. Shine
Martin.
on me.
Give Migz candy.
Shine your glory on me. Shine, Lord, oh shine.
Migz doesn't want it.
Okay.
She doesn't want it.
Migz is just Migz. Migzy being Migzy. Migzy, here. Migzy. Come on, Migzy, up, up, up. Come on, Migz, come on. Come on, Migzy, Migz, come on. I can see you, come on. Come on, Migzy, come. Up, 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 up.
I
Oh,
think-
stupid, he's scared.
I think Martin wants your food candy.
Martin always wants food, anyone's food. His food, her food, your food, my food.
I know. I'm coming, Migz. Say, I'm coming.
Migzy! Come on.
Can you hold Mark?
There she is, she's up on her now. At least she's gone up one. Migzy,
Because
come on!
it's hot.
Oh, yeah, I smell the food now.
Migz got on my head.
Yeah, she can smell the food
Oh.
now.
Is it cook? Oh, Martin.
Can't believe how cold we were now. I'm absolutely sweating in this car.
Oh, the aircon.
Nah, oh bloody crook. Imagine what that'd do to us. Oh, what the lane have I got into this time? I see something bad going on up here. I can see lights flash. Oh, no. I don't know whether to rip out or what. What is it, an old tractor or something? Something stuck? Ah, detour. Oh no. Wrong again.
It's hot. Yeah, it's hot.
Hey, you could have told me today, I didn't know.
Say, bye guys. See you next time. Migz is
See
in
you.
the daddy now.
Sorry about complaining about the traffic. Love it.
Because it's after school na guys. Ayun.
Yeah, so much traffic after school when their
Yeah.
school's out. Oh.
It's Migz first time to come with us to pick up kid in school, guys. That's our.
Yeah, normally Martin comes every day,
Yeah.
but we
Hi,
haven't
man.
taken him for a while because we want him and Migz to get used to each other.
You want some, Migz?
It's not a
And
very
where
good place
Migz,
to put an L
Martin
plate,
is
it?
there.
Huh?
Mm.
Not very
Mark,
suitable.
Dad.
Give Martin candy.
Hey, Migzy. I'll turn left here, get out of this traffic.
Ayan. Yeah, because primary school is finished 3:15 and now 3:16.
Even the other side of the road's all blocked up. A lot of traffic today for some reason. Sun's come out, so everyone's decided to go for a drive. Or stop work or something.
Migz is here. She loves to goose daddy's shoulder. And Martin is busy there eating chips.
Martin always eating.
Martin non-stop eating. She said, I need more, Sister Candy.
Okay, now we know.
You bite first, Candy. Then give to him.
Bite again. Bite again.
Guys, malapit na kami sa bahay namin. See you next time in our vlog. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Bye, Candy!